Yeah.
Look, snow angel.
Snow angel. We don't get a whole bunch of snow here in Arkansas very much.
Too bad like snowman.
Not much of a snow angel because you don't have a whole lot of snow to work with, huh? Now look at you. That's the only gloves we got, girl.
Now it's hard.
Hey. Yeah, that's a sneak attack.
What is that?
That means that you came up behind me without me knowing about it. So, well, if you had your pink and purple gloves, you'd be a whole lot better, but since you can't find your gloves, you gotta use Daddy's gloves.
Can you buy another one? Daddy, are you going to put that in the room?
Well, your hand is so small, sweetie, it's just turning around inside the glove. That's the problem. But it's better than nothing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Right. Here, let me help you. There. What's the matter? What happened? Did the snow get in your mouth? Oh! That was another sneak attack. Try to help Martha.
Why can't I put your head? Daddy, put this on. Put your hood on. And you too.
I'm going to.
Now we fight. Oh, look.
Yep.
Oh, man. Give me no thing. Here, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. Wow, that's a big one.
Mine is more big.
Where are you going, Jennifer? Inside?
What's wrong?
I don't know. You okay?
No, I'm happy. Put it right there.
Put it right where? Oh, up against the wall? There we go.
Oh, you lose.
I lose. How did I lose?
Daddy, put your head on. Hood on.
I don't want to put my hood on. I'm alright.
I broke yours. Wait, I'm cheating, am I?
Yes, you are. Oh, you got her on there.
Daddy, I made it.
Yeah, you made a little snowball. Oh, you didn't make it to the wall, though.
You want me to make it again?
Yeah. You're gonna throw the glove as you're throwing the snowball, you know. The way it looks.
Okay.
Here, see. Let me show you. See, this is how you're supposed to do it. See, put a spot on the wall. Oh, yeah, that's a big one. Crunch it down.
Hmm?
Crunch it down. There you go. Now throw it. Yeah, you made it. You got one. You ready to go inside? Because Jennifer went inside.
Fish is coming out.
You okay, Jennifer? Well, why don't we go inside for a couple minutes, okay? Warm up. Alright? Then we come back out here, alright?